Okay. So we're gonna make this cake today.
Mommy, look.
Hold on, buddy. No, leave the chair alone. So we're gonna make this Dolly Parton banana cake. They do have a recipe on the back to make a banana pudding cake. You need a bunch of ingredients, and I don't have some of those ingredients, so we're just gonna make the plain old banana cake. What I'm gonna do is put the buttercream icing in the middle of the layer, so like one cake, then buttercream, then another cake, then chocolate. Now mix. It looks like it says to blend the cake mix. Here's my bowl. And here goes my mix.
I don't know how.
So we got our bowl of mix. Now we need milk. That calls for 1 cup of milk. We use 2% milk, but I'm sure you can use any. Whole milk is probably best for it, but this is just what we have, so that's what we're going to use. So we have the cake mix and the milk. We need eggs, 4 eggs. Oh, they're extremely cold. Go lay on the couch, buddy. Go lay on the couch. 2. 3. 4. It smells like banana. Yeah. It says medium for 2 minutes, so now I don't know about another 2 more minutes, because it's only been probably about a minute, and that looks pretty mixed. Let me get a spoon. I just want to say, while I was stirring it, mixing it, you can really smell the banana. So I have not tasted it, but I think it's going to be a sweet tasting banana. It smells really sweet right now. I guess it could be a little longer, huh? I'm going to try to make it as even as possible.
And I need to join Mommy.
The other one needs more. So I think once we get it to where it looks like both pans have about the same amount, we'll scrape it up. Benjamin, leave the kitty alone and go play. And our oven just got preheated. I popped them in the oven, and it says for 2 8-inch pans, 24 to 28 minutes. So let's go ahead and pop them in the oven. Okay, it is out of the oven now, and it is cooled down, so it looks like this. It got a little bubbly, which I don't know why that is. Here, it's the banana in it. Let's see if we can get it to just come out. I didn't even mess up the bottom. Put that in the sink. Now what I'm going to do first, off my cake plate, I'm just going to spray it with hand press, because if not, everything will get all sticky. And well, the icing is really nice and smooth and easy to spread. Some icings that I've dealt with before, they're like really hard to spread. Obviously we need more. Now I don't want this on the outside, I just want it on the inside. It's just like a little extra treat. Because the outside's going to be chocolate. Once you've got it all covered, then we're going to take the second cake and put on top. Since we have plenty of icing, I just want to use quite a bit in the middle, because I don't want to waste the icing. I know I can put it in the refrigerator, but if I don't make another cake here soon, then it's just going to get wasted. But we used about this much, if you can see, about 1/3 of the jar. So we're going to take our second cake, which is still like got bubbly for some reason, and like corn bready looking in the middle. I don't know why. Don't even know what it tastes like yet, so no, nothing about it. Did not rip the bottom. That means that we sprayed our pans good. That does not always happen. I usually rip half the bottom of the cake off. Take this tinfoil off. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now, what is those bubbly things? It's kind of like crackle. Have you ever had a Crunch bar and it looks like crackly because of the Rice Crisp? That's what it looks like. So, I don't know what that is. when I spread it, it just evens out like as if it was an air pocket. So maybe that's what it is. Let's see. Now that I'm getting higher, can you see the cake? Okay. Now this one feels a little more thick, what I was talking about. It's hard to spread it. So the creamy buttercream was good. The creamy chocolate buttercream is, I don't know, it's not really so creamy. It's more like a harder buttercream. Buddy? Not right now. My son wants to drive his monster trucks that he got for Christmas, but his dad needs to charge them because he has the chargers and the remotes and all that stuff. So I think he found the remote for one. No, he's pushing it. Don't push him, buddy. You're gonna tear it up. Yeah, if you see this is not really working out, it's not spreading so good. So I think I prefer the original buttercream because that one actually spreads. This chocolate is just being difficult. And then again, maybe since it has those bubble things, maybe something's wrong with it. I don't know. But, I mean, look. If you see right here. Right here. The regular buttercream is just oozing out the middle. And this stuff right here, this chocolate is just like not it. I'm going to give it a try though. I'm going to finish putting it together at least the best I can. That looks like a sloppy mess. So, taste test.
Let me try it. Let me try that.
Do you like it or not? Okay. My son likes it, but I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of the chocolate one.
How about that?
The regular one.
Let me try it.
Okay.
That's good. That's good.
Put the lids on it.
But hey, Mastin.
So, the creamy buttercream we just tasted. This is good. Get this one. This Dolly creamy chocolate. I'm not a big fan of it. I am not going to purchase that one again. I don't know what's wrong with it, but it just doesn't taste like a good icing. Buddy, what'd you think of the icing?
That's good.
You like it? Which one did you like better, the white or the chocolate?
It's right in the white one.
Both?
Yeah, both.
What?
Did you like the cake?
No, it sucked.
It was disgusting.
It really
Don't
was.
get the Dolly Parton cake.
No. Awful.
Get Pillsbury.
Yes, Pillsbury much better. Duncan Hines? No. Not so much.
Still thirsty.
So disgusting that they ate it all.
Oh, you should look at me because they gave me all their cake.
All the kids ate it, but it was not good. So. Good morning. It is morning time and the kids are out of school. They want some breakfast, so we're going to make these Reese Puffs complete pancakes. It said on there that it makes about 12. We're going to see if we can get 14 out of them. That way everybody has 2 per person. And my mom brought me this scrapple back from Virginia when she went on a trip. So we're going to make that. We've never had it. It looks like this. It's really yummy if you cut it up and fry it in a pan. You can either eat it on a sandwich, eat it on the side with your pancakes, which is what we're gonna do. So that's the name of it. Let's get this started. We got our scrapple frying. Just now put it in the pan, so it's going to take a little bit of time. That's what it looks like before it's fried. Parmesan shallot doesn't look too good, but it tastes really good. While the scrapple's cooking, I'm going to get the Reese's pancakes started. So it says to stir the pancake mix with water. 1 1/4 cup of water is what you'll need. Get the scissors to cut this open. That's the boys in the background arguing. You can tell it's the weekend, so that's what the powder looks like, the pancake mix. It has little chunks of like little peanut butter chips in it. And I smelled it, it smells just like a Reese. So, pour it in here.
Mommy, he's pushing the Bigfoot. But it was.
So we got our powder. Now I'm going to put the 1 1/4 cup of water. That's 1 1/4. And we're just going to mix it with a spoon. It says to use a wire whisk, but I'm not going to. Just use a spoon. Works just as good. I know the wire whisk helps get out lumps and clumps, but this is just as good. And it's all about how you whip it. You want to make sure you get the bottom, that way you get all the powder stirred in. No matter what you use. And that is what it looks like. Now, of course, the longer you let it sit, the thicker it'll get. So if you like thick pancakes, just let it sit. And if you like thin, then just go ahead and throw it in the skillet right now. I'm going to let it sit for just a few minutes because I got to finish up my scrapple. Just wanted to open this bag that was in the pancake mix box and see what it was. And it's just little cereal pieces, so it's the same as if you would have bought the box of cereal in the cereal aisle. Reese's Puffs. So you can really do this at home yourself if you wanted to. If you have flour and everything you need just to make regular pancakes, just throw in some peanut butter chocolate chips inside of this because it does have those in it. You can see that thing sticking up right there. That's a peanut butter chocolate chip. And then just buy some cereal and throw on top. Voila. Hey guys, this is a small Walmart haul. Not as big as usual just because this week I don't really need many things. We're about to get ready to go on our anniversary trip, so I don't want to keep too much food in the house. Because, you know, things sometimes go bad when you leave. So, just run over real quick. We did pick out some more of these King's Hawaiian rolls. They're the 24 count. Last time they didn't have that, then we had the 12. Some tomatoes. I like the ones on the vine. They taste the best compared to the other ones Walmart has. Got a thing of lettuce. Some sour cream, which I will not eat any brand except for Daisy, so that's a good brand if you haven't had it. It's a good one. We have some hot dogs, bacon, My husband loves BLTs, so that's what that's going for. The kids have been wanting something else besides water, so I picked up these Kool-Aid little packets because they're not that bad for you compared to some of the juices you can get. They have like a lot of sugar, so this you can like compare. You can put as much sugar as you want or as little sugar as you want. These are, I believe, new. It says new. I've never seen it before. It's the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, but instead of plain, it's strawberry milkshake. So I was interested in trying those. My son wanted to have the Reese's Pops. He is 3, and that's what he likes. And then, I believe these are new too. If not, I'm just late to the game. So, Cinnamon Toast Crunch rolls. I think the kids would like it because they like the regular Cinnamon Toast Crunch. I'm not a big fan of it. Usually don't eat a lot of different cereals except for maybe the Kellogg's with the little chocolate pieces in them. Other than that, not much cereal. But the kids like it. Put that back. I did pick up this cute little calendar just because last week, if you've seen that haul, or a week or 2 ago, if you've seen that Walmart haul, I picked up 2 calendars for me. And when I came home with them, my daughter said, "Why can't you get me one for my room?" So that's what this is. I thought it was cute. We have cats and she like loves cats, so I thought that's a cute little girl calendar. We do have the brown and served sausage. We got 2 packs because we have a family of 7, so we need quite a bit. And the kids really like these, and they go a long ways because there's 50 links a bag, so this is 100 links between 7 people. Good deal. We have the sharp cheddar. We usually get this every week. The butter flavored syrup to go with the waffles. That's the chocolate chip Eggo. I only got that because Walmart's plain, not chocolate, just original waffles was the same price and the same amount in it. 24. Some biscuits. It's a 4 can. Each can has 10 biscuits in it. That's 40 biscuits. We're going to use that with these gravy mixes. We've had them several times before and we like them. We buy 4 of these little bags because, like I said, big family. So 4 of those. We wanted butter just because we just finally ran out. Tuna because I think my husband will like that for work. Something quick and easy. Mayonnaise because how else would you make tuna? Eggs. We did get 2. That's just because we're going to have waffles and everybody likes waffles and eggs together. Makes sense. Big thing of ketchup. The family goes through ketchup. Milk. Did get 2 milks. And bread. But we got 3 loaves of bread. Because I like to put them in the freezer and then just pull it out as need. Hot dog buns, we got 2 because the hot dogs over there are a 16 count. And these come with 8, so we say 16. Tater tots, my kids want me to put shredded cheese and sour cream on top like I've done in the past, so that's what that's for. Waffle cut fries, my husband put seasoning on these to make them not plain. And pickle cuts. And of course some wedges. So a bunch of different potatoes, which we normally don't buy a lot of potatoes, so we're going a little different this week. This week is different for us. Little hash browns. Make your own breakfast at home. Cheaper than eating out, so that's what that's for. Corned beef hash, because who cannot have this with their gravy? You have to have this. It is $5 for a can of it, so I do think that's expensive, but you gotta have it. So, Spam. And we bought 2. Looks like I said, family of 7 here. Green beans. We love that. Staple in our house. And I only got a little 4-pound bag of sugar just because we're going to have Kool-Aid, so obviously I got to have sugar. I'm done with all the groceries except for a case of water, which I know we get that all the time, so. Let me go with a few things that's not groceries. I found this Orajel toothache rinse in the toothbrush toothpaste aisle. My tooth has been hurting. I'm waiting to go to my dentist, but they're not available till June, so that's what that is. Just to help me some of them. Cough drops, because right now I think there's like a cold or something going around, so I'm gonna have those on hand. We ran out. Just some pads. I ran out of those, so obviously wouldn't have to have them. Mucus relief, my husband asked me to pick up, so I found some of this. He's going to give it a try and see if he likes it. He's never tried that before. Some black eyeliner for me. And some black mascara for me. Maybelline. So, that's going to be it for this haul. Really small, little haul. There's the water. And that's it.